It's been 2 years since we last filmed the Canadian Pacific Holiday Train along the tracks. It's been a yearly tradition for us since it usually travels through our area to kick off the Christmas season. After going virtual for 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the CP Holiday Train returns to the rails once again, collecting food donations and spreading holiday cheer. On 2 different days, we followed the CP Holiday Train heading westbound along the CP Elgin subdivision on Saturday, December 3rd, and then followed the train again on the CP CNM subdivision heading northbound on Thursday, December 8th. This year's CP Holiday Train was led by Canadian Pacific GP20C Eco 2246. The train also included 6 boxcars for food donations, 3 boxcars for supporting the Boxcar Concert Stage, and 4 passenger cars for train crews and stage performers. Let's head out trackside once again as we follow the CP Holiday Train as it spreads some Christmas cheer along the tracks. It's another chilly day on a Saturday morning in Bartlett, Illinois along the Canadian Pacific Elgin subdivision, and our camera crew were in position to catch the CP Holiday Train rolling through town. The agenda for the CP Holiday Train was to make stops in Pingree Grove, Byron, and Savannah before ending up in Davenport, Iowa later in the evening. Before the Christmas train came by, an inbound Metro train made a quick station stop in Bartlett. LeClaire, Iowa would be our last time catching the CP holiday train as it makes its journey to Davenport on this fun-filled Saturday evening. What made this spot even better was the Christmas lights around this small little town as the train passed by. It's Thursday, December 8th, 2022 at Deerfield, Illinois on the CP-C&M subdivision as we wait for the CP holiday train once again. The intended plans for the train was to head north and make a stop at Gurnee, Illinois before entering the state of Wisconsin, making 2 additional stops at Sturtevant and Caledonia. However, congested rail traffic caused the train to be delayed, but that didn't stop our crew from seeing the CP holiday train light up the night sky. Oak Creek, Wisconsin would be our final stop of the night along the CP-C&M subdivision. The holiday train would continue its trip on the CP-C&M heading towards Muskego Yard in Milwaukee, Wisconsin before making more additional stops the following evening. It was quite a productive night to the start of the Christmas season as we filmed the CP holiday train. Hey everyone, thanks for watching our video featuring the Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. To learn more about the CP Holiday Train coming to a town near you, go to www.cpr.ca/holidaytrain. If you liked the video, be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And for even more railroad content, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Until next time, my name is Andrew Mangalinden. Happy holidays, and I'll see you on the tracks.